Almost all of them. Colleagues ko na po itong mga to. Pero ngayon, ako muna yung may hawak ng mic. Guys, relax.
Relax na yan.
Quarter turn to your right. Now.
Alimaw, alimaw.
Another quarter turn to your right. Another quarter turn. Face the judges. Hey guys, get ready for your mandatory poses. The 7 mandatory poses starts with front double biceps. Ready? Front double biceps, flex. Down. Guys, antayin nyo lahat yung magcha-champion natin magpa-perform individually ha. So hindi lang flexing makikita nyo, mamaya makikita nyo, marunong din silang sumayaw. Lahat ng champions natin, mag-individual posing mamaya. Front flat spread. Ready? Flex. Down. Side chest. Any side. Ready? Flex. Down. Maintain your line, guys. Get ready for your back double biceps.
Wala na ka na. Talagang mataas na yan.
Number 8, atras ka ng konti para may ilaw ka. Number 8, atras ka ng konti para may ilaw. Okay, ready? Back double biceps. Ready? Flex. Down. Back lat spread. Ready? Flex. Down. Choose your best side. Any side for your side triceps pose. Side triceps. Flexed. Down. Lion abdominal pose. Show them your abs together with your thighs. Ready? Flex. Down. Hinga muna kayo, guys. Show them your most muscular pose. Ready? Flex. Down. Thank you, guys. Out. Very good. Thank you. Quarter turn to your right. Now. Down. Quarter turn to your right. So your back, your glutes, your calves, show everything you have.
Tubig ang kailangan, 2 araw, walang kayo.
Down. Another quarter turn to your right. Down. Face the judges. Get ready, guys, for your 7 mandatory poses. double biceps pose. Ready. And flex.
Backstage na, sa backstage. Before umakyat. Tulak sila dyan. Bakit naman yung mga pinapagawa?
Down. Front lat spread. Ready. Flex. Down. Side chest, any side. Your best side. For your side chest pose. Side chest, ready. Flex.
Kahit anong bigyan nyo, di siya papagawa. Kaya nga, ulit na to yun, no? Oh, number 40.
Down. Turn your back to the judges. For your back, double biceps pose. Back double biceps. Ready.
Naka-reserve na tubig sa katawan.
Flex.
Pero totally, number 2 days na lang wala. Pero tubig pa dyan. Hindi nyo na kayang ginawa. Oo, yan. Hydrate kasi.
Down.
Kaya nagkukulog siya pagka...
Back lat spread. Ready. Flex.
Ayan na!
Pasko na. Down. Side triceps. Gusto nyo makakita ng horseshoe sa kamay ng ng lalaki? Side triceps pose. Ready. Flex. Sino sa kanila may pinakamaganda? Down. Your thigh and abdominals.
Grabe, pawis.
Thigh and abdominal pose. Ready. Flex. Hold your poses, guys. Down. Take a breather. Your most muscular pose. Most muscular pose. Ready. Squeeze. Down. Relax, guys. Relax. Thank you. Down. Front lat spread. Ready. Flex. Down. Side chest. Ready. Flex. Back double biceps. Ready. Flex. Back lat spread. Ready. Flex. Guys, maintain your line. Balik tayo sa line natin. Please follow your line. Okay, follow your line. Magkano, para lahat makita. Follow your line. Side triceps pose. Ready. Flex. Down. Your thigh and abdominals. Ready. Guys, this is a call from judge number 1. I repeat. Flex. Down. Thank you, guys. Front double biceps. Ready. And flex. Down. Lat spread. Ready. And flex. Down. Side chest. Any side. Ready. Flex. Down. Back double biceps. Ready. Flex. Down. Back lat spread. Ready. Flex. Down. Side triceps. Any side. Ready. Flex. Nine abdominals. Ready? Flex.
Nice, blessing.
Down. Guys, wala pa kayong mga kamay. Ang hirap yan. Luis Biminda. Ready? Flex. Guys, baba tayo. Ulit tayo. Press tayong konti. Okay, wala mag-step forward. Para ano?
Eh, tatataktak ka!
Down. Split natin sa dalawa. 3, 4, 5, 8, and 9 forward. 11, 12, 13, 14. Backwards, please.
Yun, tama. Yan.
Okay. From the top. Front double biceps. Ready. Flex.
Legs.
Down. Front lat spread. Ready. Flex. Down. Side chest. Any side. Ready. Flex. Down. Back double biceps. Ready. Flex. Down. Back lat spread. Ready. Flex. Down. Side triceps. Ready. Flex. Down. Nine abdominals. Ready. Flex. Down. Down. Front lat spread. Ready. Flex. Down. Side chest. Ready. Flex. Down. Back double biceps. Ready. Down. Back lat spread. Ready. Flex. Down. Side triceps. Any side. Ready. Flex. Down. Nine abdominals. Ready. Flex. Down. Okay, thank you guys. Step backwards. Front lat spread. Ready. Flex. Side chest pose. Ready. Flex. Down. Back double biceps. Ready. Flex. Down. Back lat spread. Ready. Flex. Down. Side triceps. Any side. Ready. Flex. Down. There's 9 abdominals. Ready. Flex. Down. Thank you guys. Down. Front lat spread. Ready. Flex. Down. Down. Side chest. Ready. Flex. Down. Back double biceps. Ready. Flex. Ready? Flex! Down. High abdominals. Ready? Flex! Down. Thank you, guys.
Nakatakot na hawak. Parang yung ulo ko kasi laki ng ano. Yung ganito. Our fourth placer is
Contestant number 14,
Jason Macareg.
representing Fitness Connection. Of our top 3 contestants,
The
third place goes to contestant number
5, Wesley Catane.
representing First West Gym.
Ito yung nahihilo kanina. No? Sabi
Yeah,
sa
he was
akin.
a little dizzy.
Yeah. Kala ko tutumba siya sa akin.
I'm ready to catch you now.
Sabi ko, nasa lalim ko siya eh. Hindi naman pala tumumba. Sabi yun,
Gandang smile.
nakakahilo pala yun.
Super, as in you're
Kaya
kind of
sila nahihilo kasi hindi sila nag-water pa yata eh. Bawal ang water. May we call our top 2. Punta
Top
sa
2
harap.
contestants come forward.
Come forward please. Sino kaya sa kanila? Ang pareho naglalakad.
Round of applause for our top 2.
Yan. Sino ang gusto nyo manalo? Ako gusto ko sila pareho manalo. Parehong deserving.
For second place, contestant, it's in the teens, no?
Oo nga eh.
Contestant number
13! Jam Pass! And our champion is
contestant number 12,
Jenny Chris.
representing Ironville Gym and Gold's Gym.
Congratulations, Sir Jenny Chris.
It was
O,
a
diba?
close competition.
Ikaw ang champion, Sir Jenny. Malaki-laki yung ano mo. Yung... O, diba? Parang karakter din siya. Ay, hindi siya makapaniwala. Nakuha ka eh. Hindi, magaling talaga sila. Tingnan parehong magaling.
Round of applause for our top 5 open division,
Congratulations.
weighing 154 pounds and above.
Ayan, congrats. Ang gagaling niya. Hindi mo po tayo ikatapos.